Most people get startup investing wrong by thinking it's only for venture capitalists, but platforms like Crowdcube are changing the game. Today, I'm sharing an honest review based on my experience using Crowdcube to invest in startups. Crowdcube is a UK-based equity crowdfunding platform that allows individuals to invest in early-stage companies alongside professional investors. One surprising feature is accessibility. You can start with as little as 10, making it possible for almost anyone to participate in startup funding. Most people get this wrong by assuming high barriers to entry, but Crowdcube makes it approachable. The platform is user-friendly. Each company listing includes detailed financials, business plans, videos, and risk warnings. This transparency helps investors make informed decisions rather than blindly funding a startup. I appreciated the clear breakdown of potential returns, ownership percentages, and exit strategies. Funding a startup is straightforward. Once you choose a company, you commit your investment online, and Crowdcube handles the paperwork and share allocation. Most people overlook this convenience, but it saves time and legal hassle. Risks are real. Startups are high-risk investments, and many fail. Crowdcube clearly communicates this, so you should never invest money you can't afford to lose. Diversifying across multiple startups can reduce risk, which is something most new investors forget. Customer support is responsive and knowledgeable, answering questions about the investment process, shareholding, and reporting. The platform also provides updates from the companies you invest in, keeping you informed about growth and milestones. In conclusion, Crowdcube is a solid platform for those interested in startup investing, but cautious about accessibility and transparency. Most people get startup investing wrong by assuming it's complicated or exclusive, but my experience shows that Crowdcube makes it approachable, transparent, and manageable. Subscribe for more investment platform reviews to make smarter choices with your money.